Now, if we head back to the interface, we'll see that we have a couple settings that we can set for the app as a whole. So if I go in the settings here, I'll be able to set, so the app name, we already did it here, but we can also add a Softr subdomains, for example, Acme vendor portal, and also add all sorts of customization. For example, the Fav icon, which is the icon that you see on the browser tab. You can also upload a logo or just write, for example, which will then appear right here. But usually you just import your company logo as an image for the logo of this app. Then going through the settings here, you could, in integrations, for example, directly connect your Google Analytics, or we have also something for progressive web apps, where if you toggle this on, your users, for example, on mobile, could be able to add this app as an app on their smartphone to have an easy shortcut and also a better experience. So that is very convenient if you have people on the field. And then some very convenient settings. For example, if you are having a global team, you could also decide a bit how the localization, the time zones, etc. would fit together. So that was a quick tour of the settings. Now, if we go into the theme, this is the place where you'll be able to set some global design rules, for example, the headings font family that will directly apply app-wide, so that whenever you want to change that later on, you will not have to go into all the blocks you've created to change those, but you'll simply do it right here, for example. Then you also have some color settings, for example, the main paragraphs of your app, but also this one is very important, the accent color. So let's say you want sort of darker blue. You can see that the buttons here and everywhere where the accent color is being used are directly changing. You then have a choice between three kinds of sizing for your app. I recommend sticking with M or going for L if you need extra readability. And then you can also easily change the roundness of your buttons or everything that's actually have borders like this. So we will go maybe for this subtle rounding, which I think look really good.